Oh, quick one. Who would win in a fight between Captain America and Riddick? I'll say Captain America will probably win the fight, but if it's a fight to the death, then definitely Riddick, because he is a killer. Now I know that Vin Diesel is really, known for being called Dominic, the family in the Fast and the Furious. But for me, I know him better as Riddick. I think Riddick to me is an iconic character, really strange creature, so to speak. But hey, we got a Kodi build called Riddick, and I've been trying to watch the 3 movies that we got. The first one is Pitch Black, the second one is Chronicles of Riddick, which I got about 3/4 of the way through. I was watching it Sunday, and I think the last one is called Riddick. So this one is a 3-page build, lots of widgets. You've got the main page and left to right. Oh no, it's a 4-page build. Sports, Non-Debrid. Alright guys, enjoy!